Hello guys, this is Prime Concept. We have a problem to analyze on the electric field. And the question says, find the electric field, that is to say electric field intensity. Find the electric field at a point 20 cm from a charge of 20 microcoulomb. Now say we have our charge Q equals 20 microcoulomb. We want to find electric field at a point that is at a distance of 20 cm from this charge. So let me call this point P. So we're looking for the electric field at this point that will be exerted by this charge. So this charge is our source, right? That's creating the field. Now, next thing you want to observe with this problem is that your distance is given in centimeters. So be sensitive to observe the units of your quantities. Now, this is centimeters, so we have to convert to meters by dividing by 100. So R is going to be 20 divided by 100, which will give us 0.2 meters. So with this, I can find E. E is given as, for source charge, E is given as KQ divided by R squared. And I have that K is 9 times 10 to the power 9. Then Q is 20 times 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 0.2 squared. Now if I punch this, I would have quickly 9 times 20 by... So I have 1, 2, 3. So 3, 4.5. So this is 9 minus 5, 6, 3. Okay, 4.5 times 10 to the power 6 Newton per coulomb. So that is what I have. That's what I have. Yeah, so this is my electric field, right? Now, if we look, we have another part of this question which says, what force will the field exert on a charge of 5 microcoulomb placed at that point? So that is to say, if you have a charge here, 5 microcoulomb, they place a charge at this point. What force would this field exert? This is your test. This is your test. This one that is receiving the force now is your test, right? Now, we recall also that E is the force experienced by a test charge. So from here, we can find that force. So if we make F the subject, I would have Q naught E as my formula. I'm going to rub here to solve this. So I have F going to give me Q naught now is 5 times 10 to the power minus 6 times what now? 4.5 times 10 to the power 6. So if I punch this, I would have 5 by 4.5. So this is going to give me 22.5 newtons, since this power will do. So this is my answer for that force. Now someone else might ask, is this the only way we can solve for the force? Of course no, we can use Coulomb's relationship to solve for that force. And what is Coulomb's relationship to solve for the force? Let me quickly say method 2 for the force. You can use F equals KQ Q naught by R squared. So if you use this, you are expected to get same answer. K is 9 times 10 to the power 9. Q is 20 times 10 to the power minus 6. Q naught is 5 times 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 0.2 squared. If you punch this, of course, you would get the same 22.5 Newton as your force. I believe this concept is very clear. Do well to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and recommend them to your friends so that they can also benefit, right? Remember, this is Prime Concept. Thank you.